Yeah.
What are you doing? Ow, my face.
Did you bite your face?
Why did you bite my face? What are you doing?
I didn't know you raised a zombie child.
I didn't know that either. What is wrong with you? Why are you acting like you're dying? You need your armpits cleaned. You need your armpits cleaned. You should probably have a bath. A bath! A bath! A bath! Say hi. Oh. Parenting 101.
Please, she did that to herself earlier today. She's face planted.
Do you want milk?